Welcome to another captivating episode of Emotions Explored. Today, we're going to embark on a journey into the world of catharsis. Now, you might be wondering, what on earth is catharsis? Don't worry, I'm here to unravel the mystery for you in a simple and creative way. Catharsis is like a powerful emotional cleanse, a release of pent-up feelings and tension that leaves you feeling refreshed and renewed. It's like standing under a waterfall and letting the rushing water wash away your worries. Imagine you're watching a heart-wrenching movie. As you witness the struggles and losses of the characters, you can't help but feel their pain and empathy. It's like you're walking in their shoes. But here's the magical part: as the movie concludes, you might find yourself shedding tears, and that's perfectly okay. Those tears are your way of experiencing catharsis, a purging of emotions that leaves you feeling lighter and emotionally cleansed. Catharsis isn't just about sadness, it can also be a way to release anger or frustration. Imagine receiving a hurtful letter from someone you care about. When you tear up that letter and let out that pent-up anger, you're experiencing catharsis. It's like freeing your heart from the burden of resentment. Catharsis isn't always triggered by negative emotions. It can also be a joyful experience, like when you're having a great time with your friends, laughing until your stomach hurts. In moments like these, you're releasing all the stress and worries, and you feel a sense of cathartic joy. Catharsis can come in various forms. For some, it's through dancing like nobody's watching. Dancing allows you to let go of inhibitions and express yourself freely, experiencing a cathartic release of positive energy. Just like skipping stones across a lake, catharsis allows you to let your emotions ripple away, leaving you with a calm and serene mind. Catharsis is a beautiful and natural way to process our emotions, whether it's through tears, laughter, anger, or even artistic expression. It helps us connect with ourselves and others on a deeper level, making us more resilient and understanding. So, the next time you feel overwhelmed by emotions, don't hold back. Embrace catharsis, let it flow, and experience the liberating power of emotional release. Thank you for joining us today on this emotional adventure. Remember to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and share this video with your friends. Until next time, embrace your emotions and let catharsis work its magic in your life.